spending hundreds on tools? Stop. I tested the best free alternatives that outperform paid versions. Here's what actually works. Most creators and freelancers overspend on subscriptions. The truth? Powerful free tools exist right now. ChatGPT free, Canva's features, and Claude's free tier deliver professional results. You don't need premium for basic projects. Smart budgeting means testing free options first before upgrading. Number 1. ChatGPT tier unlimited text generation, perfect for content. Number 3. Perplexity AI real-time web search capabilities. Number 4. HubSpot's free marketing copy and analytics. Number 4. HubSpot's free marketing copy and analytics. Number 5. Remove decrease image background removal. Each replaces expensive paid alternatives completely. Free tools have limits, slower processing, restricted usage will be decreases usage. Upgrade when you hit these limits consistently. If you create 50 breast pieces monthly, paid ChatGPT saves time. Running client projects, paid versions offer priority support and reliability. Scale as your business grows, not before. Use free tools for brainstorming and drafting. Upgrade to paid for refinement and delivery. This hybrid method cuts costs by 70% while maintaining quality. Test every free option first. Many creators never discover amazing free tools because they jump straight to expensive subscriptions. Be strategic. Found this helpful? Subscribe for weekly iTool reviews and smash that like button.